This is 4.2, part 2. So we have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we know that that is the slope, and slope is rise over run. So we're going to find the slope of this line. I can do it one of two ways. One way is to count rise over run. So how far does y change to go from one point to the next? So it goes down 1, and then I would have to go to the right 4, so that's a negative 1 over 4. Or I can use my formula with my given points, negative 2, 2, and 2, 1. So if I plug in y2, so y from point 2 minus y from point 1 over x from point 2 minus x from point 1, that is negative 1/4. When we minus a negative, that acts as adding. Here we have y equals 2, and so if I take my formula and do the y from point 2 minus y from point 1 over x from point 2 minus x from point 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus negative 1 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. 0 divided by anything is 0. So the slope here is 0. It's a flat line. And here I have a vertical line, and if I plug it into my formula, y from point 2 minus y from point 1 is negative 2 minus over y from x from point 2 minus x from point 1, that's 3 minus 3. We cannot divide by 0, so the slope here of a vertical line is undefined. It is impossible to divide by 0. So we have parallel lines, and parallel lines are any lines that will never touch or intersect. So often they're fairly close to each other, and we can see that they are straight, they will never touch, and we will know that they have the same slope. If they have the same slope, they're both angled at the same way. All vertical lines are parallel, their slopes are all undefined, and all horizontal lines are parallel. All their slopes are 0. So let's see if these two lines are parallel. They look like it, but if I continue them on forever, will they intersect at any point? So to test if they are parallel, I'm going to find the slope of the first one and slope of the second one. If they are the same, they are parallel. If they are not the same, they are not parallel. So of my orange line, y2, this is point 1, point 2, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is 3 over 2. From my teal line, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is 3 over 2. So both have a slope of 3 over 2. They have the same slope, and they therefore are parallel.